Seal of a Feather here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I've already tried this, but then my camera died in the middle of it, so I'm going to redo it. Oops, sorry about that. Today we're going to be working on, we're going to try at least to square a circle. And that just means to create a square and a circle with the same area. It's a lot easier than you might think, actually. So if we were to draw a circle, that is a really good circle. Not sarcasm right there, that's actually one of the best circles I've found. And we divide it in half. And then in half again. And then 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 just keep going. We get a bunch of little triangles. If we were to draw, oh shoot, that's bad. If we were to draw a square, well, we could use those little triangles. Oh, not even trying to make a square. There's a problem with this, but this is what I would use to try this. They would get them really, really close. So yeah, but you would use the same triangles as from here. Like if you were to make, like, take a paper plate and cut it into smaller triangles like this, then you can make a square. The only problem with this is, here, let me just pretend this is just an incomplete circle. And this is one of the triangles. The thing, to make it a triangle, we have to square this end off. Not square it off, but make it straight, because the circle is curved. And that leaves a little bit of material that's left over. Now, if the more triangles you have, the less material. But the more like, I don't know what to say. The less material on the individual triangles, but the more examples of it, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. So, like, if we used big triangles, like 4 triangles, there'd be a lot more waste. As you see, this is all waste. But if I used, like, 8ths, there's a lot less waste, but there's a lot more of the less waste. It's kind of hard to explain. Now, mathematicians have tried this, and they end up using triangles so small that the waste isn't even worth talking about. So that's why we are able to create a square with the same area of a circle. Now, the rules of this, we aren't allowed to use any measuring devices. We're only allowed to use a straight edge and a compass to make lines and circles. Yeah, otherwise it would just be really easy. We could just do a circle with the area of, or the radius of 1. So to get a square with that area, the area is pi. So we'd have to make a square where the sides are the square root of pi, which I will try to do right now. Oh, alright. Alright, I don't know if this is right, because this isn't really pi. I put 3.14, 1.77. So it's 1.77 squared, yeah, equals pi. So yeah, that's how you do it if you had a measuring device. If you could measure the radius of this, but you can't. You just have to use a series of, like, patterns and shapes like this. Or you could try, like, maybe start off with a square. And if you cut all the corners off, and you got a circle with the quarters, and then all you have is this left over, you can do it again. But yeah, we're just gonna just not bother with that, because this method is one of the best. Other than this, so yeah, even though there's a little bit of excess, it doesn't really matter. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what I should do next. Comment if I should get my finger out of the lens. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.